Don't download BusyKid Stock Market for Children app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the BusyKid Stock Market app for your kids, pause for a second. Most parents assume it's a simple and safe way for children to learn investing, but here's the surprising truth. It comes with limitations and risks you need to understand first. BusyKid is designed to teach kids about money savings and investing by letting them earn allowance, spend, donate, and invest in real stocks. On the surface, it seems perfect for financial education. But there are several things most people get wrong. First, the app charges fees. Every investment your child makes in a stock market comes with a transaction fee, and there's an annual account fee for some features. Over time, these small costs can eat into your child's returns, especially if they're investing small amounts regularly. Second, while BusyKid offers real stock investments, the platform is limited in scope. Children can only invest in a selection of pre-approved stocks and ETFs. If your goal is to give your child a broad understanding of the stock market, this restriction can be a drawback. Security and privacy are also key considerations. The app collects personal information for account setup and financial transactions. While it is generally secure, any platform handling financial data for minors requires extra vigilance from parents. Despite these issues, BusyKid has positives. It gamifies financial education, encourages saving habits, and introduces children to the concepts of ownership and investing at an early age. Parents can monitor activity and guide decisions, which is invaluable for learning. In conclusion, don't download BusyKid Stock Market for Children app if you expect a full-scale investing platform or zero fees. It's best used as an educational tool to teach kids about money management and basic investing concepts, not as a replacement for a traditional brokerage account. Understanding its limitations ensures your child's first steps into investing are safe, educational, and productive.